Hello everyone. Good morning to all. I am Stinivas, Department of Information Technology, B.V. Raju Institute of Technology, Narsapur. Today, I am going to take the course Python Programming. In that, we are going to discuss operators. Okay. So, what is a operator? First, you should know what is a operator. Operator is a symbol that can be used to perform some arithmetical logical operations. In other words, operators can be also defined as symbols that are used to manipulate the value of operand. For example, here you can see I have given an example. Plus is a symbol that can be used to perform the mathematical addition operations. Let's consider a is equal to 10 plus 2. This 10, 9, 30. This 10, 9, 30 is called as operands, and the symbol which is performing addition, the plus symbol, is called as operator. Similarly, we have different types of operators. So here you can see some list of operators I have given here. So in Python programming, we have divided around 7 types of operators. Here you can see arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, and this is also called as membership operators in the Python. Bitwise operators. So here all these operators, the symbols I have already mentioned in the bracket. In now one by one we are going to discuss in a detail. So what do you mean by arithmetic operators? So we are very familiar with arithmetic operators. The basic operators of mathematics are called as arithmetic operators. They can perform arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, next exponent, modulus, flow division. So what is this one by one? You can see here. One by one we will be discussing here. Plus, here operator symbol I have given plus. The meaning is addition, and the description use of this. It performs mathematical addition on both side of operators. For example, let us see a plus b. Here a is equal to, we are considering in the previous case I have taken a is equal to 10, b is equal to 3. It becomes 10 plus 3. So here this a and b are the variable which are called as operands, and this plus symbol is called as operator. All these symbols plus, sub, minus, asterisk, this division, modulus, exponent, flow division, these are the arithmetic operators. So here in the next case you can see subtraction. Subtracts right hand operand from the left hand operator. These are the basic operators which you already learned in the school level. The same thing we are going to discuss here. Here a minus b is equal to 7. A is equal to 10 minus 3. B is equal to 3. This minus is the operator as we are subtracting. So this is called as subtraction operator. Similarly, you can see multiplication. The multiplies values both side of operator. Here you can see a multiplication b, this symbol is multiplication symbol, asterisk symbol, equals to 10. In the same manner, here you can see division. This is the symbol for the division. As you learn in the mathematics, you will be having different symbol, but in the this Python programming, this is the symbol for division. Performs the division by dividing left hand operator by right hand operand. So student, here you should observe here what is the difference between division and modulus. You can see. Then modulus operator, like it is percentage symbol, but we are calling it as modulus. It is not a percentage. It performs the division by dividing left hand operand by right hand operand and returns remainder. So don't confuse here. Division means it gives the coefficient value in this programming, Python programming. Here modulus means it gives a reminder. So here you can see A by B. That means 10 by 3, it gives 3.33 some decimal point. Coefficient value it is giving. But here in this case you can see A is equal to 10, B is equal to 3. 10 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. 1 will be reminder. It gives the value of reminder. So please try to remember, don't confuse here. The modulus, what is the difference between the division modulus we have discussed? Exponent. It performs the exponential, that is nothing but power calculation on an operator here. A double star represents here, double asterisk symbol represents exponent. A is equal to 10 we have taken, B is equal to also 10, then exponent of 10. Exponent of 10, 10 into 10, how much? It should be 100 actually, so here it is a typing mistake. It should not be 1000 but 100. 10 square, 10 into 10 it becomes 100. So this is the exponent form. Similarly, floor division. Here you can observe this is a new term, floor division. Performs the division which digits after the decimal point are removed, but if one of the operator is negative, then the result is rounded away from 0 towards the negative to infinity. If any operator is negative here, it will be rounded to 0 and moves towards negative till infinity. But if it is positive number, you can see here A is 10, B is equal to 3. 3 by 3 is 3.3 we got here in the division. What is the difference floor division? Floor division ignoring the after decimal point values. In the division we have represented 3.333. Here in the floor division it doesn't taking consideration into after the decimal point. This is regarding the basic operator, that is arithmetic operator we have discussed. Let us go to the next operator. So here before closing this, I have given here a simple program. How to write the same program you can see. Whatever we have calculated. A is equal to 10 initially I have taken. B is equal to 3. So we discussed that in the Python. No need to give the type of data. Int or float or that is not required. If you don't give, it will understand. Then print A plus B. Simply you can take A plus B. Then minus print A minus B. Then A minus B. These are the string formats we have discussed. A division by B, A division by B, A modulus by B, A modulus by B, print A exponent B, A modular division by B. What is the output for this? What we discussed in the table in the previous slide, same output you will be getting here. So I did not mention the output. Meanwhile, you can execute simple program like this. Let us see assignment operators. What is assignment operator? Assignment operators are used to assign the right hand side value to the left hand side variable. So you know that here A is equal to, A is a variable, is equal to that symbol assigns the value A is equal to some 10. So this is called assignment value. Then here equals to symbol, you know that it assigns the value A is equal to 10. Okay, left hand variable is there, right hand it gives the value. Next, plus is equals to add and assign, add and assign. Here you can see, if you understand this, remaining all are same. A plus is equal to B means A is equal to A plus B. The meaning of that is A is equal to A plus B. Similarly, subtraction is equal to, in this assignment operator what is happening? Subtracting then assigning. You can see here A minus is equal to B. This is nothing but A is equal to A minus B. Similarly, here multiply and assign. So when we discuss the same operator, we are assigning the values. Here A into is equal to B. That means A is equal to A multiplication B. Similarly, here division also you can see A modulus is equal to B. A divided by is equal to B means A is equal to A by B. The meaning is like that. Similarly, A modulus is equal to B. A is equal to A modulus B. Similarly, you can see here flow division, exponent also here. Here flow division is not applicable in this, and here exponent you can see A exponent is equal to B. A is equal to A exponent B. That is the meaning. Here in this case also given the simple example you can see here. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 3. What we discussed, the same result, same output will appear here. A plus is equal to B means A is equal to A plus B, it will calculate. Similarly, print string format here given. A minus is equal to B. That means A is equal to A minus B should print. Similarly, all this case here you can see division, or it may be multiplication, or it may be modulus or exponent or flow division, what it may be. Everything will be getting the same time. Okay. So this is regarding assignment operators. Let us see rest of the operators. I hope you understood what I discussed. Then comparison operators. What is the meaning of comparison operator? Here the meaning is that used to compare the two values. In other words, the comparison operators are used to checking the relationship between two variables or values. So in comparison operators also called as relational operators. It gives a relationship between two variables or two values. Let us see how. So here also we have less than, this is the operator, then this is the meaning, then description I have given. When we are comparing the two values or two variables, if it is true, it will give the value true. If it is false, it will give the value false. That is the meaning of relational operators. Here less than is equal to, greater than is equal to, equals to, that is equals to, because single equals to we are not taking here, not equals to. All these operators are called as comparison operators, or these are also called as relational operators. Then here you can go to the slide. Less than, for example, A is less than B. As we took in the previous exam, A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 3. Is 10 is less than 3? In this case, no. So we will be getting output is false. Similarly, A is greater than or equal to, A is less than or equal to B? No. 10 is not less than or equal to B. It is not equal to B. It is not less than B. That is not, 10 is not equal to 3. 10 is not less than 3. So we will be getting false result. Similarly, in all the cases, A is greater than B as 10 is greater than 3. So it gives true value. A is greater than or equal to 3. Else it is greater than. So you will be getting the true. Similarly, A is equal to B. As we are taking A is equal to 10 and B is equal to 3. Both are not equal. So this is false. Similarly, A is not equal to B. Else 10 is not equal to 3. So it is true. These are called as comparison operators, or these are also called as relational operators. Let us see the simple example what we given. So before that, we will discuss logical operator, then we can go here. This two programs I have given, simple programs I have given in order to explain what is the difference between logical and comparison operator. For that purpose I have taken here. What are the logical operators? Logical operator is used to merge the multiple condition into a single condition. So in the previous case, relational operators, we are going to check only one condition. Here we are going to check more than one condition. Then here the symbol we have not given, simply and or and not we are taken, because the same keywords of Python that can be accepted by the Python. So we are not taking any symbol here. You can also take the symbol, but simply and or not is keywords which can understand by the Python, which can suppose the Python. So symbols we are not taken directly, and or not taken. These are called as logical operators. This can be used for the multiple conditions. Here you can see and operator returns the true if all the conditions are true, otherwise returns false. So in the Boolean algebra, you might have learned that if you take two conditions, let 1 is equal to 1, then it is true. If 1 is equal to 0, then it is false. So the meaning is that it returns true condition if all the conditions are true. Otherwise, it will give the false. In the both the cases, the output will be true or false only. Next, logical OR. If all the conditions are false, otherwise returns true. Both are opposite here, and OR. Then what is not? If the value is false, it gives a 0. If it is true, it gives false. So here you can see, it returns true if the condition is false. It returns false if the condition is true. Reverse, opposite. So these are the examples we have taken here. So when A is less than B, is it true? Yes. A is greater than C, because another value if we take. If all the conditions are true, then it will be true. If all the conditions are false, then it will be false. Okay. So the simple examples I have given here. You can see the simple examples. Here A is equal to 10, B is equal to 3. Print here A is less than or equal to B. This is from previous example that these are the relational operators or comparison operators. In this case, this we are taking. Same example initially we have seen. Same example you can see another C I am taking 10. In the case of these logical operators, print A is greater than B. Is it true? Else. A is less than C. Else. Then the output will get you true. You will not get any value, simply true or false. The next one is that A is less than B or A is greater than C. If both the conditions are true, then it will give the true condition. Here you will be getting the false, because A is less than B, A is greater than C. So it is false condition. Next, not A is greater than B. A is not greater than B. 10 is not greater than 3. False. So this is regarding the simple logical operators. Let us see next example. Identity operators. What do you mean by identity operators? These are used for comparing the memory locations of two objects or variable. There are two identical operators you can see. That means if you take some list, if the particular number is present, is means present, then you will be getting the value true, if not false. Similarly, is not means not present, it will be getting true, otherwise false. So you can see here list. I am taking the simple example, simple program. List is containing 1, 4, 10, 50, 5. These are the elements. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 3. A is in list. Is it present? 10 is present in this list? Yes. So you will be getting the true value. B is in list. B is equal to 3. Is it there in the list? No, 3 is not present. So you will be getting here false. Print A is not in list. A is 10. 10 is present in the list, but not in list. You will be getting the false. B is not in list. Yes, B is not present in the list. So it gives true value. This is regarding identical operators. Next one is that bitwise operators. What do you mean by bitwise operators? These are perform bit by bit operations. There are 6 bitwise operators you can see here. Symbols we have given: bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise exclusive OR, bitwise ones complement, bitwise left shift, bitwise right shift. So same program I have given here. You can, if you understand this table, it is more than enough. Bitwise AND returns true if finds the variable in the specific sequence, otherwise false. A is in list. Yes, A is in list. If it is A is in list, you will be getting the values true. If not, you will be getting false. Similarly, R returns true. It does not find variable in the specific sequence, otherwise returns false. Just now we have seen in the previous case, this is also same. A is not in list. It gives false because A is present in the list. Returns true. It does not find the variable in the specific sequence, otherwise returns false. Doesn't find in the specific sequence, it will give false, otherwise true. A is in list, it is true. Returns true if it does not find the variable in the specified sequence, otherwise returns false. Okay. Bitwise shift, it doesn't find the variable in specified sequence, otherwise returns false. Similarly, return left. This is sequence here left. Left shift means towards the left we are going to search and it should find. Right shift means it should find in the right way from the specific sequence. Then it will give the true or false. The simple example I have given, same output we are going to get. Then let us go for the next operator. Assignment operator 1, comparison operator 1, logical operator we discussed, identical operator we have discussed, bitwise operators we have discussed. Okay, only till bitwise. I think all the operators we have discussed. So this is regarding the types of operators in the Python. Python support all these 7 types of operators. Then just now I told you that is, in or are. Identity operators are also called as membership operators. So I forgot to explain you that. Okay. Thank you students. Bye bye. We'll meet in the next video.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.